we're in the shop, and you notice there's no shop table. There's a miter saw on the ground. There is a welder on a cart. There's a drill press on my desk. That's not going to work out. Let's build ourselves a real table. Hey guys, today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm using a microphone. I'm going to be voicing over this video just to tell you what's going on. I'll pop in every now and then. Most of the time you'll just be watching the video and it won't be me blabbing. Anyways, right now, well, this music is Built Like Alaska, Dirty Mouth, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, Neil Jackson from Built Like Alaska, letting me use your music. It's fantastic. So anyways, right now I'm measuring everything, make sure everything lines up on the piece of wood you saw just a minute ago. Yep. Alright. See ya. So as you can see now, I am about to saw with my miter saw. You may have seen the review. This is the first time ever cutting with metal. I'm using a saw blade, a metal saw blade, a carbide tip, very sharp, very hard material. And I'm about to cut some steel. This is the first time I ever right almost now. You'll see it. It's the first time I ever cut metal with this saw. Very, very first time. Here goes. And it went pretty well. I do need a full face shield and made a nice clean cut. Fantastic job. Little wood saw cutting hard steel. Pretty cool. I'll just let you watch the rest. Before I start welding, I want to give you a tip if you're welding. When you're welding with flux core or any arc welder, make sure you have some sort of pad like this. If you're welding on concrete, if your piece you're welding is on the floor, which it is for me, see that? Make sure you have some sort of rubber pad so none of your body parts are actually touching the ground, so not your feet, hands, or anything. They should be covered, but because you can actually get a hemorrhoid. Some sort of arc can happen and you can get a hemorrhoid. So the tip, when you're welding, make sure you're not touching the floor or anything where it has a pad. And I don't know if it'll happen in this case, but I'm going to just be safe because if there's a piece of wood, but there's a little tip there, so be careful.
To come in head first, to go outside.
Okay, sorry about the crappy camera angle, but basically you can see I'm welding the frame around the wood. I'm using the wood as a template. So yeah, enjoy.
And I'll hum the violins. Words can make no sense. I'm making no sense. Poured in forever after. Poured in forever after. To crash down beachfront of broken seashells. Now I'm leaving blood trails like Red McNally.
Okay, now I am putting the piece across the middle of the structure. So here we go. I'm about to weld it, and here we go.
Comfort in a siren, and darling, how do you see yourself dying? And are the morning bells you've been growed up well, with no time to sweat?